So I'm going to be showing you guys an awesome trick for you can make a picture collage on your iPhone for free. And by far the best way to make this happen is to download a third-party app from the App Store. It's going to be the Adobe Express Photoshop app. Now, keep in mind, it's free. It does not cost anything. It's also got 700,000, almost 5 out of 5-star reviews because it's really that good. Okay, anyways, once you've installed it, you just want to open it up. And what you're going to want to do here is click on the third or fourth option over where it says Collage. Now, it lays it out nice and easy. So this is very, simple. And then the next thing you want to do is just click on whatever pictures you want to make a collage with. Now, I'm just going to go with 3 pictures for this first example, but you could just add a bunch more if you want. And when you add your images, it's going to pull up a bunch of different collage options. And they all look really nice, but I'm going to go with this one as our first example. I think it looks really clean. They put a border on it. It looks nice. Then you can just save it at the top right here. And yeah, it looks like we're going to have an issue going back here. But I'm going to go to my photo section so you guys can see the first collage example right here. And this took, like 10 or 15 seconds to do. It's very quick. Okay, so there it is right there. It looks super clean, like I said, with the background they put on it. And yeah, it just looks cool. Now I'm going to do one other quick one here for you guys. So we'll do one other example. Let me close this out, reopen it. And remember, it's going to be the 4th option down when you get in the app. And then, to the right. And then you're going to want to click on however photos you want. I'm just going to do 3 again. But I'm going to use a different collage example, just a different design. This one looks pretty sweet down here. Oh, yeah. Okay, same deal here. Now we're just going to, save it. We'll go check it out in our photo section. And yeah, man, this is completely free to do. Of course, if you guys want to check this app out, straight from this video, I'll have some resource links directly below in the description for it. And dang, there it is. Also, I'd like to point out that you guys can get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we will see y'all in the next video.